Hi guys! Good morning! Nandito po tayo sa seafood market. We have to buy this kind of fish. It's only priceless. This is the one. But I would like to buy this kind of fish. Ano lang siya? $3.99 a pound. $3.99 lang. Ocean rockfish. This is my favorite fish. So I'm going to get this. And carp, the big carp, big fish. Papapreto natin ito. And 4 slice. Tsaka, so ito binigyan tayo ng number. Papapreto dito. Ito, ano,